watching all the seasons pass. You see the silver, you feel the change in a world that feels so strange. But don't you
Welcome to our new video. As these shears move, we aren't just changing a style, we are releasing the weight of yesterday.
wiping away all your fears. She thought her beauty was gone and lost, but she didn't count the heavenly cost. A new birth is rising, a light in the dark. The Creator is lighting a brand new spark. Radiant,
We often carry the fear of the future or the scars of our journey like a heavy cloak. But look at how light begins to dance on your face when we embrace the texture God gave you.
your grace is our crown, and your love will never go down. Timeless beauty, faith ever strong. In your arms is where we belong. It's not just hair, it's a soul set free. The woman He made you to be.
There is a peace that transcends all understanding when we stop fighting time and start trusting the one who holds time in his hands. In every curl, in every gray strand, there is a testament to his faithfulness.
A beauty that never, ever grows old. Radiant, we are radiant His eyes, like a morning star in the summer skies. Forever loved, born anew in the Spirit, the promise of life. We're here to inherit, oh Jesus. Your grace is our crown, and your love will never go down. Timeless beauty, faith ever strong. In your arms is where we belong. Stay focused on the light. He's with you through the night.
Your dignity is timeless because it was divinely appointed before you were even born.
Radiant, we are radiant His eyes, like a morning star in the summer skies. Forever loved, born anew in the Spirit, the promise of life. We're here to inherit, oh Jesus. Your grace is our crown, and your love will never go down. Dear woman in the mirror.
If this moment of restoration touched your heart today, I invite you to join our community of radiant queens. Subscribe to Silver Roots, and let's share this journey of serenity and confidence together. Above all, keep your eyes fixed on him.
Dear woman, looking in the glass, watching all the seasons pass. You see the silver, you feel the change in a world that feels so strange. But don't you let your heart grow cold, there's a story yet untold. Beyond the lines, beyond the years, He's wiping away all your fears. She thought her beauty was gone